Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can withdraw your money from Binance to your Revolut. Now the first thing you want to do guys, you want to log into your Binance account, and after that I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can start this process and how you can withdraw the money from Binance to Revolut. Now the first thing you want to do guys, the very first thing is you want to click on wallet in the top, okay, in the top right, and then click fiat and spot. Now after you click on fiat and spot, it will take you to this page. What you want to do guys next, you want to click on transfer in the top right, okay, transfer, and here you have to select fiat and spot, of course, and here gross margin you have to select funding, okay. Next thing you want to do guys, you want to select USDT where it says Queen, USDT. This is the after you select USDT, you want to select the amount that you want to transfer to your Revolut account. Now I'm going to select 200. After that you want to click on confirm. Don't forget clicking on confirm. After that guys, what you need to do guys next is you have to click on where it says again you have to click on your account, okay, in the top right, your account, your profile account, and then scroll down and click on security, okay. Now after you click on security, what you want to do guys next is you have to click on where it says payment in the left, okay. And next thing you want to do guys is you have to click on where it says add payment method in the right, and here you have to select click on more, okay. And after you click guys on more, you have to select here where it says search. You want to search for Revolut, okay, click search for Revolut. And what you want to do guys next, you want to add here your Revolut tag. This is very important, even though it says here optional, it will help you in a few seconds, like it will make sense in a few seconds. Just add here your Revolut tag and here your phone number, and then click confirm. Now after you do this guys, what you need to do guys next, you want to click on trade, okay. Now after guys you click on trades, you want to select P2P, okay. Now the next steps guys are very easy. You just want to click on sale, okay, select sale here. All right, after you select on sale guys, what you want to do guys next, you want to select where it says the fiat, okay, where it says fiat, you want to select here euro, okay. Okay, now we just want to convert to euro so that we can withdraw the money to our Revolut without any problem. Now where it says all payments, you have to select here Revolut, okay. Now after you select guys Revolut, what you need to do guys next is you wanna search for people who have very high order completion, okay. This one has 84, so it's not bad, of course. This one has 93, which is really good, and search for someone who has a lot of orders. For example, this one has 100. So what you need to do guys, you want to click on sell USDT, and you want to sell, for example, 200, but this guy, the minimum order amount is 1000, so just find someone else who can do this for us. So for example, I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to select the amount. I'm going to select 200. It's just this one again is 1000. Select this one again. I'm going to see if this one can accept. No one can accept 200, so you either increase the amount or you can find someone else. This one accepts 500 euros. Of course you can find someone who accepts lower than this. Now select the 550, okay. And what you need to do guys next is you want to click on sell USDT, okay. Now after you click on sell USDT, now you can go to your Binance and you can transfer the money to your Revolut, because you just want to convert this to euro. That's why we do this, because otherwise you can't just withdraw them to your Revolut. Now if this video guys helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next.